That's like not even in the picture. So far down. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Appalachian Farmstead. So as you can see, I am harvesting some trees today. This is a beautiful black cherry. I was really concerned it was going to have red rot, but it doesn't. Let me just tell you what it is at the big end. It is 22 inches. 22 inches at the big end, and then 10 feet up. Ugh, that thing cracked. That sucks. 10 feet up, it's 19 inches. And man, it stays like that for a while. That is a nice tree. It's beautiful, really. Whew. It is hot out here today, people. All right, so let's go up. Side to side's up there out of the way. I don't want to be like some of them idiots. You know, you cut a tree down and then things don't always go like you want them to, and then they end up falling on your piece of machinery and destroying it. Well, I always put my stuff way out of the damn way because I am no professional tree faller. Oh, so I was pounding the crap out of wedges just because I wanted to make sure this thing was going where I wanted it to. So, all right. Hey, you guys all right? Holy smokes. A little close, huh? All right, guys. Whew. I'm tired. It is. Only thing that's nice up here is I'm in the shade. But you can cut the air with a knife, man. Holy smokes. So, here's what we ended up with. So, if you see there, I got from basically, well, I can take you over. Take you over real quick. Whew. So, I got 1, 2, 3, I got 4. Man, I have never had my saw stuck like that before. 4 10-footers, and then that's all junk, firewood, whatever. This leg here, completely rotten, and that's all up there past the side by side is firewood. I might be able to use that little guy. He's pretty crooked though. And this end of this, well, you can see right here. Check this out. This is why I'm cutting these trees, by the way. Right there. It's called red rot. My biggest fear was that beautiful log there had it, but it didn't. So this log was clear other than the fact it's kind of crooked, but I got 1, 2, 3 out of that, bunch of firewood. That's all firewood, probably firewood. Some of that's firewood because some of that goes up into that end. So yeah, so this is mainly why I'm up in here cutting this. Number one, I need lumber, need trees for lumber. I've got orders for rabbit hutches and other things. So I was going to tackle that poplar and that poplar, but to be honest with you, I'm tired. I'm freaking soaked, cleaned in my underwear and sweat, and I got a hell of a mess to clean up here. So I'm going to come up here tomorrow with the skid steer and consolidate my logs, firewood, and then shove the brush somewhere. My property line is out there about 100 or so yards. I might just take it all the way out that road to the property line and shove it out there. So, all right, guys, I'm going to end the video here. So, the next one you'll see me is moving all this stuff and trying to consolidate everything. So, all right, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.